I am so happy. The sun is out. It has warmed up. Here in beautiful Michigan, it's a beautiful and comfortable 17 degrees. And I'm not joking. It's warmed up. But today we're gonna do something. I'm making one because it's all we need. My wife and I, also known as the little lady, will be sharing this here tomahawk steak. Still got to put some rub on it, but you'll see that. And we're not using the Oklahoma Joe's cooker. We're not using the pizza oven. We're not using the Blackstone. We're not using the Lodge Sportsman's, nor are we using the Weber Go Anywhere grill. We are using this here Weber grill that cost me $35 back in Washington State. Just waiting for these turkles to fire up and we'll get going. What the heck? Little lady told me it was a tomahawk, not a Cowboy Ribeye Steak. Some of you may say, what is the difference? Well, I think it's the bone, the length of it and everything. Notice this one is not that long. It doesn't go like a foot beyond the ribeye. So basically the same kind of thing. It's a steak. It's a big, thick one. And I'm gonna like it. Now the question is, what kind of rub do I want to put on there? I've got a whole bunch of different rubs, but I do have a go-to rub that I like to use. This is not necessary, but I'm doing it. Little extra virgin olive oil. Gotta put the lotion on the skin. Oh, crap. This Michigan humidity likes to clump up the rub when it's in the cupboard. All that moisture. Oh well. It's the price you gotta pay to be in the promised land. And again, I might. Good sear on both sides. I'm gonna use the grates from grillgrate.com that they actually fit into and they're made for my Weber Go Anywhere grill. But I use them grates when I do a sear, and then after that bring down the temperature with a little indirect heat. Get this thing to finish up to about the temperature of an internal temperature of 125 degrees. That's how I like it. So I'd like to thank all new subscribers. I'd like to thank all subscribers. Those who've stuck around with me, thank you. Just waiting for this thing to fire up. Alright, looks like these coals are fired up good enough. You might not be able to see it in the video, but there is fire coming up. So, I think we're going to dump it in. But I'm not going to spread it everywhere. I just want to put it in one half. Kind of like that. So nice it's warmed up. Now this tool is made specifically for grill grates. from grillgrate.com. Tuesday, January 11th, 2022. Whew. Hope I don't get a sunburn. Alright, here it is. Good. All right, let's go to the other side. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that, folks. Is that a thing of beauty or what? Yeah, so we'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we're just gonna stoke it down. Like I said, I'm gonna put the temperature probe in there. 125. Done. All right, got her in there. Temp probe is on it, and waiting on that 125. Target temp 125. Currently, it is at 50 degrees. Now, sorry, I did not get a lot of footage of it going up to 125 degrees while it was outside. It's just too windy. Couldn't really say anything without the wind blowing, messing up the audio. I can do that enough myself. Took it off the grill, got up to 125. It is cold out there, folks. So I get this butter on top, got some butter underneath, and cover it up, wrap it up. Let it sit for about a good 15 minutes. Not really, but almost like Christmas. Still got some residual butter sitting on top, but it does look good. Now, the little lady and I are going to be both eating this. I'm not going to eat this whole thing. I'm going to cut it probably in half. She'll probably get the bone side, but yeah, we're going to split it. Gosh, I see some color in there. I seen the color in there. Let's take a look. I like it. Looks good. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you to all new subscribers, old subscribers, all subscribers. Until next time, I'm Paulie. I'm hungry and I'm out.